I can record. Oh my gosh, I can record. My SD card works, I can record.
But I wanna be the
What the hell is going on, guys? And I'm back at it with another vid. We outside. It's the studio night. What we
crazy
doing?
man. We recording bangers in this bitch. Not like us. We fire, y'all niggas buns.
And I work late night.
Look at the time, boy. Time.
2
fucking a.m.
2:28. Damn. Bro, let's take them in right quick, bro. Cause they don't know. You feel me? We put it in that work. Damn. We outside, nigga. Hey. Dear Lord God, yo, mass recorded right now. Put it in that work. Oh.
As I get older, I gotta get to all the guys. We working out like 5 guys. Going crazy.
Yeah, how you guys doing today? I hope everything's going well. I hope you guys are healthy. I hope everything's good with you guys. Are being positive. We find through the rough times. We ain't got no time to be no dumb, down ass niggas. You feel me? I don't know how I'm looking through this camera, bro, but all this quality is one for y'all. Yeah, tell them.
Niggas don't got quality like this, bro. Just nigga, fuck what you talking about. Smack this fucking this dude. Going crazy, nigga. You finna be making bangers. My son finna be recording some fire ass vlogs. 10K plus a vid, nigga. If it's under 10K, I'm smacking your mother. Fuck is you talking about, nigga?
I make your mother be throw the broom, whatever.
Paca tu sepa. Sepa, mané.
What's going on, guys? I ain't gonna lie to you, this camera, bro. It's like making me scared. Like, I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna show y'all how big this camera is. I'm out here in public with it. I'm like, damn. I'm at the moon, my son Rob. We outside. Feel mad awkward too. It's like, yo, what the fuck? Nah, we over here about to take some flicks. All I wanna do is really get comfortable with this camera, bro. Get as much work as I can just to get better. Than that, though, we walking around trying to find good lighting. Son Rob drift the fuck out. Like, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, stop playing. I'm so light. Oh, they don't know. Yo, what y'all need to do is really just do it. Just do it! Come on, you feel me? Yo, I'm not gonna lie, advice to myself, fact, nigga. Yo, apparently my man's has a stand, right? T-Mo stand. If anyway, long story short, my nigga, they stealing my son's shit, bro. Yo, apparently my son works for him.
But bro, I saw people like grabbing stuff. You gotta have like a cover to put on this shit, bro.
Facts, nigga. You bugging.
I didn't know you, bro. I would jack this shit.
Gangsta.
I could have gone to my crib long time ago, bro.
Yeah.
I don't know what's going on. I mean, I feel bad though, man.
Bro, look, I made this guy a sale. I sold something for you, bro.
The real one.
Bro.
Come on, Polo, you gotta be on time, gang.
Bro.
Yeah, you can't take that chance though, bro.
Can I talk?
Of course. Yeah,
Yo.
Oh my god.
Come take out the car, bro. Who's gonna close this? Who's gonna close your card, bro? Close this car.
Mommy, I'm a star.
Bro, you wanna pay me? Come relax, bro. People took your shit there. What do you want me to do? Bro.
Oh, nah.
He's about a talk show host.
What?
Yeah.
Hung up. He gotta go. Yo, I'm gonna leave this shit, bro.
Bro, leave this shit, bro. How your responsibility?
You're a real one.
I don't even know his real name, bro. Like 3 hours, bro. I gotta get to my crib. My mom be calling me. Where the fuck you at?
That's not your go home, bro. Yeah, it's not your responsibility, bro.
I don't know what to tell you, bro.
I could take all of this.
Facts.
Bro.
Huh? What I feel like doing?
Like robbing this shit now. Come, bro, come. I don't work for you, so come. Take care of this shit. How do you? I'll wait for you. Come, bro. I'll wait for you.
Have a good one, bro.
Say me like.
Peace out, bro.
Say.
Yo, what's up with this nigga Polo, bro? That's your business, my nigga. Come on, bro.
I think the first store I where I showed you before.
But the Best Buy, son.
We only went to like 2.
We are. Yeah, we here. So we got some plates, we got some pictures in. I'm crazy. Sunlight, you dig? You feel me? Rob about to hit a handstand. You talking about you want to hit a handstand. Been getting nice with the handstand, so whatever. You want to do first try? Yeah, I'm at the mall, nigga, taking fucking flicks. Nigga, say what's up to the fucking vlog, pussy.
What's up to the fucking vlog? That's the best vlog.
Good morning, y'all. Good morning for me, at least. Beautiful day. I ain't gonna lie to you. I got some bad news, my nigga. Something bad happened last night. I'm tight as hell. It's too early for this shit for me, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. I'm looking at it now, cause last night I couldn't really get a good look at it. Tell me how I'm coming back last night after chilling with Rob to go handle something else or whatever. Came back, boom, I hit my fucking driveway wall. My driveway wall is like cement type shit. And I'm tight, bro. Boom, like what? I am bugging. I said, alright though, you wanna know why? 1, God is good. 2, it's a beautiful day to go harder. 3, we gonna fix that shit. That's nothing to us, bro. Like, come on, man. We gonna get that right. Buy the M Sport back bumper, whatever. Already got something for y'all coming for the front. You feel me? Since we got good quality right now, let me show you how she look for real. How she look for real. Like, ain't gonna lie to y'all. Like, besides this bullshit right here, like, what the fuck, nigga? Damn.
That's right, I'm doing me. I'm doing me. What I'ma do till it's over.
But yo, if your girl and your mom switch like within bodies, so you have to fuck with one of them, what the fuck? To bring them back to their old bodies.
My girlfriend and my mom are both gonna have to die because I'm not fucking.
What?
Showing my brother West the camera right now.
Yo, Pete this. Real vulgar shit, nigga. We gonna lie, we out south. Take this flick right now, I got you right there. Anyway, just had to take some flicks of my big bro. Y'all know the vibe. Big Pluto with the top down. The winner. Cause you're a winner. Damn, man. Damn, nigga. I'm done with these Balenciagas. They keep on fucking my socks up. Son, there's no way, son. Yo, bro, I just macked the shit out of a fucking deer, my nigga. Look at my car, bro. Oh, my nigga, look at the deer. Yo, fuck you, nigga. Your mother, everybody K, nigga. 3185? Okay, bro. Have a good one. Like, what? It's a deer here right there, too? Nah, that's crazy, bruh. We outside?
Yeah, you recording?
I'm live! I'm live! I'm live! Yeah. Okay. Can you believe that I hit a fucking deer?
You did?
Yeah, I hit a deer with my car. It's okay though.
Put it on the story, you don't got me.
No, I didn't post it on my story. I'm not an internet nigga, you know that, bro.
Nah, I would definitely post it.
One question, you feel me? Say you had, if that hoe and your mom switched souls.
Oh my god.
And you had to fuck one of them to bring them back, who would it be?
Definitely Jared.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please comment, subscribe, give it a like, on my post notification bell every time the kid, you feel me, drop some sauce, drop some heat. If you're not subscribed, no cap.
If you're not subscribed, I'ma smack the shit out of you, nigga. Catch, nigga. Like the beat. I don't got time to go tweet. I keep the product discreet. I like them thick and I like them petite. Bon appetit, word of my hitter. Off to a sheep like we eating some dinner. Don't expect shit, no they hitting, go figure. Damn, my figure to her to a river. Wait, I got a dream, no king. Kiss on my wrist, they drowning to sing. Gotta go stack, cha-ching, cha-ching. Hitting the ting. Turn like y'all main, say she bounce on my thing. It's just a fling, so your friend is a freak. Next time better bring. Wait, bitch, I been colder this spring. Breeze on my dick, on my phone steady ring. Wait. You hear that? If we pull up, y'all niggas on fear fact. You ain't taking no win, don't believe that. Better stay on the low like a meerkat. Never yap like a bitch with a chit chat. Fuck a 2-3, my shit got a kickback. It go flat in your dome, no snapback. Got the plug, no he jogging off WhatsApp.